Questions to ask yourself: 1. Will it really matter in a year or in 6 months? 2. Is this helping me to grow and become a better person? 3. Why does their opinion or approval matter to me? 4. Am I acting on my feelings? Am I likely to regret this? 5. What if I decided to do things differently? 6. What if I decided to write a choose who I will be instead of letting others decide my life for me? What is introspection? A definition: introspection can be practiced both as an informal reflection process and a formal experimental approach, and the two have different definitions. Still, both processes can be undertaken by anyone with curiosity and determination. Cherry, 2016. The informal reflection process can be defined as examining one's own internal thoughts and feelings and reflecting on what they mean. The process can be focused on either one's current mental experience or mental experiences from the very recent past,